Hello, I wanted to do a recording for anyone who was unable to attend the live presentation of Welcome Night for Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing. I just wanted to do a quick introduction. My name is LaVonna Palmer. I am the instructor here at Northland CAPS for the Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing strand. This is going on my 5th year. I have 18 years of industry experience in engineering design that I bring into this program. I've been married 16 years, have 3 kiddos, and I'm really passionate about what I do. I love coming in every day and working with all of the students and just seeing them grow throughout the semester. I do have an Instagram account. You can see ncaps.palmer. Feel free to follow me. And then I also wanted to provide you my email. For those that are watching this recording right now, I would love to have you introduce yourself to me by sending me an email. Include any nicknames that you want to go by for the next school year, what high school you are coming from, and then what you hope to learn from your time here at Northland CAPS. I just wanted to provide you a quick agenda of everything that I'll cover in this presentation. Essentially, I want you to know where our business partner site is, which is our host classroom, some information about transportation, dress code, the NCAPS experience as a whole, spring and summer task, and also how to get a hold of us over the summer. Something very unique about Northland CAPS is that we do not have a typical educational facility or school building that we're housed in. We are directly immersed into business sites that we call host sites where our classrooms are held. The Engineering Advanced Manufacturing strand will be housed at Campione Interior Solutions for this upcoming school year. I have the address there listed below. And one thing to keep in mind is that we are always guests in these facilities. And so that also is one reason that we put so much focus on professionalism and being respectful. Otherwise, we wouldn't get to work with some fabulous business partners and learn from experts in the industry. With that being said, Northland CAPS does not provide transportation. We serve 18 high schools in 10 different districts, so we don't have buses to get student associates back and forth from the business partner locations, either our host classroom site or those other sites that we may visit throughout the semester when we're working on projects and interacting with local companies. Being able to get back and forth to class is a really big deal. If you feel that you may need help with transportation, if that's an issue, please contact your counselor and also the Northland CAPS admin office so that we can help you work through that. I would hate for anyone to miss out on an opportunity due to transportation. Also consider contacting other students who are also in Northland CAPS with the possibility of being able to carpool. Dress code here at Northland CAPS varies a bit from traditional high school. We ask all of our associates to dress business casual when representing CAPS. That includes slacks, khakis, dresses, skirts, collared shirts, sweaters, cardigans, anything that you could envision being a part of appropriate professional attire. There are some occasions where we may be visiting a site that would include a change of attire, either dressing down or possibly even dressing up, and that will be communicated ahead of time. But on a general everyday basis, business casual will be your dress code. I wanted to provide you a sneak peek into what a typical day looks like in EAM. First semester, you will be with me Monday through Friday, either your designated AM time, 7:30 to 10, or your designated PM time, 12 to 2:30. During this time, the first few weeks, we will work on our professional skills, which I call boot camp. We will be going on site tours, we'll have guest speakers. Essentially, first semester is industry-based, hands-on learning. We do project work with local business partners. And then second semester, Mondays, you will be in the classroom with me during your designated CAPS time, but Tuesday through Friday, you have the opportunity to be at an internship. That will also be during your designated Northland CAPS time, 7:30 to 10 or 12 to 2:30. I wanted to provide some photos that I took over the course of this year and allow you to see some things that we've been able to do throughout the year in spite of the challenges that we faced through the pandemic. I wanted to show a few snips of projects that we've had the opportunity to work on this year with some local business partners. A few of those include North Kansas City YMCA, Holland 1916, Standard Aero, Cowork KCI, and Honeywell. A few things to be aware of for spring and summer task. We will be contacting you over the next few months to ensure a smooth start to the fall semester. Regularly check your personal email for communication from us. Over the summer, the NCAPS office will be in contact about waivers and permission slips, as well as asking associates to come in and take photographs for identification badges. In addition, this fall, we will have required onboarding event for parents and student associates. Please be sure we have your correct personal contact information. If you think of any questions, feel free to reach our Northland CAPS office at the number and email below. You may also visit our website at www.northlandcaps.org. I've also included my instructor email, lpalmer@northlandcaps.org. Again, feel free to reach out with any questions that you may have. Thank you for taking time to watch the recording of the Welcome Night presentation. I am very much looking forward to seeing you all very soon.